Welcome, goblins and ghouls. Today we're just going to be talking about the bedrooms and all that, just kind of my plans and what it's going on in the house. As you can see, there's so much paneling and carpet everywhere in this house. It's ridiculous. I'm not too excited to discover what's under it. Here I'm hoping to either put a mirror or do some of my own plaster work. And above it, I hopefully putting some stairs to finish off the attic so we have some extra storage space. I love this arch, but I don't think it's original to the house. So this is the trim around the door for my child's room, which we're going to turn into box 5 from Phantom of the Opera, but my own interpretation. These look like chess pieces or pawns to me, but I find them really interesting. Like, I've never seen this in a house before. Just for myself. I don't think that my house is anything too special, but I'm gonna make it super special. So we're going to take out that carpet and the paneling, and hopefully the plaster is good behind it. I like the wallpaper, but it has to go. It's falling off, it's stained, it's gross. So these are the closet, and the door knobs are actually porcelain. I have a story about porcelain doorknobs. My older sibling convinced me when I was younger that they were jawbreakers, and I tried to eat a porcelain doorknob, and it hurts the teeth, so highly don't recommend. This is the closet. I think that we're just going to not really focus on remodeling the closets, but that is the real floor underneath, like the actual wood floor original. So I'm excited to work on it. And over here we have the window where we're going to put a bench, and we're going to put a stage and paint a scene from Phantom of the Opera here and put curtains over top. Probably a pull down screen so then we can change the backdrop whenever we want. I'm really excited to do that. I probably will talk about it more in another video once we really start working on it. Right now we're doing other stuff. I love this stained glass window. It's just beautiful. It complements the door, the stained glass door that you're about to see, and the stained glass downstairs. There's some more of that same trim, and this is the master bedroom. It got damaged from the previous renters, but it's really nice. I'm so happy that we have the trim. And here is the door. You can really see the damage from the renters when they put those hooks that go over the door. The wallpaper. It looks like dead palm trees, or I don't know. It just looks very like I'm in a dead rainforest. But the windows are really nice. They need to be sealed properly. They're pretty cold right now. And this is the master bedroom, one of the closets, but this is the original closet. And it is small, but it's okay. I'm not huge into big wardrobes. The floor in there is original. And as far as we know, it goes all the way to the other side. The rosettes, the trim are original. I really like that. I was super excited when we saw the floor. It was one of the things that made me say to my husband, we have to get this house and restore it or do something to save it. Ugly carpet. We have to take that out. Oh, funny story. We think they put it up because someone fell through the plaster roof, putting in insulation in the attic, but can't confirm. This is going to be the study, and I don't know if it's original. Has the original layout to the house. I'm wondering if it was made into a bedroom, and here you'll see why. It opens up to this closet that's actually a porch to the balcony. We've got all the floor checked for asbestos. There's none in here, but look at this door. It's stained glass. It's beautiful. We have to take the paint off. It has this blue in here. Not totally sure why. Probably for insects or birds or something to keep them out. But there was actually 4 doors on here, and I think that door originally might have fit on that side, and then we had another door that might have fit there, but it's in the garage. Look at this doorknob. I just love these doorknobs. I don't know why. I can't wait to take the paint off of them. Look at that. And shine them up. There's the stained glass. You can kind of see it poking through the color. And this is an outside door. There's also another door like this that we have in our garage. So not sure where the other one, storm door, was supposed to belong. This is the balcony that it leads on to. We have to fix that as well. But anyway, this is a shorter video, and our next video will be talking about the bathroom and the kitchen. I'm really excited to work more on this house. We've been ripping up carpets, so I have a video about that coming up, as well as my plan for the opera bedroom, which I think is actually going to be the first bedroom that we work on, and I'm really excited for that one. I'm probably going to do a video where I draw out what my plans are, so stay tuned. Thank you for checking in, and have a great and wonderful evening.